Alright, I want to do a quick rundown on the latest Nomad foot switch I did. Similar to the original one, you've got your 3 channels down here. And then you have solo and reverb. These are actually, they perform much better than the original switch. I find that the original one, these things kind of are unreliable and they're a bit bouncy. I think it's kind of maybe due to the switches getting old. But one feature I did put in here is that each channel can have unique settings for solo and reverb. So say for instance, channel 1 clean, you want to turn solo off and reverb off. But channel 2 you just want solo on. And maybe channel 3 you want both on. So it remembers those settings. It's kind of cool. It also remembers your last state. So if say you're in this state, solo and reverb on channel 2, and you do a power cycle and you come back, it comes back to that exact same state. All right, let me know what you think.